you've ever thought to yourself, like, hey, I got these patterns that I just want to get out of there. You know, sometimes you get a little deep inside your head, and using NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, you'll be able to uncover some of the things that are going inside your mind, find out what's holding you back from where you want to go, and remove all those things and throw them away in the past. So if you're thinking about getting into NLP, I definitely challenge you to do so.
Through NLP, I get to be motivated, I get to get on to my life, I get to support people, and when I help myself, then I realized that I should really help people. That's why NLP was very beneficial to me.
So like I'm able to connect more with friends and relationships, romantic relationships definitely helps.
NLP will help you from things like personal empowerment, how to better communicate, how to better navigate through situations easily and effortlessly, and how to be a flawless communicator when it comes to maybe sales objections or even relationships. And that's what I love so much about NLP, is that it helps with every single area of life.
In the last 2 years, I've grown more than with almost 20 years of therapy.
I have people come to me for advice, and I mean, it can be my mom, it can be my friends. I really want to be able to help people, and I learned strategies that can help people you know, make breakthroughs in their life that would motivate them.
Getting rid of stuck incongruencies in my life, so that I could have a clear vision of what I want exactly and get my desired goal.
I would absolutely recommend whatever you're doing in life, if your goals and desires are to be better at what you're doing, or be a better person or a better version of yourself, look at NLP as a way to do that.
It helps a lot to be able to be in charge of your own life.
And also really learning how to understand people on a deeper level. So as I learned about NLP, like my fascination with psychology, like, oh, that's why people are doing what they're doing. And you know, if I communicate with them this way, if I say this, or if I use this technique, then I was able to like really, you know, get through to people, connect.
I was able to get rid of early traumas, and that's the healing aspect of it. It's also helped me with clear thinking, it's helped me shed loads of money, it's helped me just become very positive and consistent and